In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Squarespace domain here to Base44. This will be a complete guide, and if you watch all of it and you actually follow what I show you step by step, you'll have your domain connected in under a couple of minutes. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So on Base44, you want to go to apps, provided you're logged in obviously, then you'll see all of the apps and websites you've built. Go ahead and click on the one you want to connect the domain to, and here you can see we are in the preview section. We then want to go to the dashboard area, so click on that and then click on domains. Once you're on domains, you need to click already have a domain, set it up here. It's then going to give you some instructions on how you can do it, but I'm going to show you visually in this video. But first we need to click add domain, which will open this add new domain window, and here we can go ahead and enter in our domain. Now if we go to Squarespace, you will probably be on your dashboard, and then inside of your dashboard you want to switch to the domain section, and then here you will be on the domain section. You'll see all your domains. I'm going to connect this one, knowledgebasehowto.com. So go ahead and click on the domain you want to connect. It will then take you into the back end here, and what we need to do is go to DNS, and then here under DNS settings we can start to add the name servers. But let's not get ahead of ourselves, let's go ahead and actually copy the domain first. So let's go back and let's go ahead and copy this domain. So copy it from Squarespace and paste it into Base44, then click add domain, and then it's going to add it successfully. You'll see it down here, it will be pending. All we need to do now is add the DNS records and essentially just connect the domain. So we can start by doing that. So we can go to DNS settings on Squarespace. So we've clicked on the domain, we're in the back end on Squarespace. We can now go to DNS settings, and then here you see all of your current defaults. Now you can go ahead and delete all of these because we're not going to need any of these, and we don't want them to conflict here with the records we're about to add. So click on the trash can icon. It then may ask you to log in and verify your account, which I've just done, and then we can go ahead and delete these defaults here. So there we go, we've deleted them. Now the email security we can leave, that's fine. We do want to come to the custom records though and click add record. And here we can add the custom records which we've been given instructions by Base44. So starting off at number 1, add a CNAME record. We need to add www and the value is going to be base44.onrender.com. So copy this, base44.onrender.com, then go to Squarespace. Then for the type of the domain, you want to put CNAME. Then for the host, we need to put www, as you can see from here. Then we'll go ahead and copy and paste base44.onrender.com. And again, I hope you're following along here because this is very easy. Then click save, and that first record then should be added. So there you go. Now what we can do is we can go ahead and add the second record. So now we need to add an ANAME or alias record. And if our DNS provider doesn't support ANAME or alias, we can use a record. So let's go back to Squarespace and we'll see. We'll add a record, then we'll go to type. And you can see here alias record is supported by Squarespace. So we'll go ahead and use that. So we're adding an alias record, which is the instruction here from Base44. Now we want to type in @ for the host. And again, very simple, we want to copy this URL here following the instructions. So base44.onrender.com. So just to go over that again, we're adding an alias record. The host is going to be @, so you can see here @, and then we are pasting in base44.onrender.com in the data section. Click save, and now we've added this record as well in a second. So now we've got both of the custom records added from Base44. Now what we can do is we can go ahead and click verify domain and then check status. And you need to now wait for the DNS records to propagate. It also does say remove any AAA records, and we don't have any of those in our DNS settings. We removed all of the other records anyway. So you need to just now wait. You can see mine verified quite quickly, but yours can take up to 48 hours. Now we'll go ahead and copy the domain just to see if it's working, and we'll open up an incognito window. And you can do this on a normal window as well, but if you paste it in, it should then go to your site. Now if it still isn't working, just be patient and wait like 10 minutes and we should get everything up and running here. Again, this could take up to 48 hours for the DNS records to propagate. So it took me about 10 minutes. I've just clicked again, check status, verified domain, and it seems like everything's now connected. Again, just wait, be patient. And then if we now copy it, we go into incognito and we paste in the domain again. You can see it's now redirected or connected to Wunderlust, which is our Base44 application. So there you have it. That's how you do it. Please leave a like and a comment if this helped.